Good evening and welcome to the glorious world of Brahman Solutions. First of all, I'm very much thankful that you all have been watching our every video almost, which is connected to sometimes on communication skills, personality development, public speaking, and sometimes we have offered some of the skills communication plus about the cell psychology and all. So thank you very much for your response till date, whatever you have been observing us. So I'm highly honored. This is me, Bhushan Devdar again. Today, this particular moment I have taken out to share with you the small, either you can call it an achievement or a single effort towards climbing one more step towards selling, or maybe in the you can call it something called segment called training. Because in Brahmine Solutions, what we do give lectures on communication skills, public speaking, interaction skills, personal development, mind skills, so on and so far about sales and everything and marketing, and also the advising about the selling techniques and all, and some amount of consulting also. The idea is since in my mind since last 5 years, and we have been doing that. So we are connected to some of the companies also, and we conduct lectures on communication, public speaking, mind skills, so etc. etc. But yes, today is something very special to share with you all. That on 26th of October 2020, this last month, we have launched a book called Selling is Sailing. Now the question might come in your mind that why exactly the book? To be very honest and precise with you all friends, last 35 years I'm in sales. I have been working for various companies, some of the multinationals, some of the German multinationals, some of the Indian multinationals. And the idea came in my mind that when almost 3+ decades I've been in the sales, so why not come out with our own experiences, ideas? So it will be guiding force for all the people who are in sales. So May 20, I started jotting down the points which are required to come out with the book, and somehow September end I finished, and October 26th I launched this book. So this book is available on Amazon all over. When I say all over, that means the all over countries on the planet Earth, and wherever the Amazon platform is available. So you all need to have do only one thing, that just type "Sailing is Sailing" and you will get the entire link over there. That's all details over there. So let me give you a brief about how exactly this book is talking about, because I have been promoting this book by various platforms, that is Twitter, Facebook, then LinkedIn, my personal mails, then my personal friends who are in various multinational companies at a senior levels itself. So I've been sending them mails and all. But somehow I thought that why should not I just share with you the thoughts about why the book has come in existence itself, or maybe why the book's need was required. I have been reading a lot number of books in selling, marketing, advertising, negotiation skills, and all and all. But one thing I've observed that almost every book, whichever have been written by maybe European writers, maybe American writers, maybe British writers, or some of the context, some of the Indian writers also, who has the focus main on the corporate culture and all. And all. While going through all these books, I thought there should be a need of some book itself to be written by someone that who has actually worked in the field on a practical way. And about me itself, so let me share with you. I work for appliances industry, industrial automation industry, then AC and water cooler industry, then synthetic food color and dyes, that also I work. Then tiles, that is called construction chemicals, and then I had been to IT industry, but for a long, well, not a very big time. Then I had been to furniture and hardware industry. And at the initial career of my beginning itself, we can say that I was with the pharmaceutical industry itself as a medical representative with some of the companies I worked when I was in a place called Nagpur. Anyways, the thing is that when I gone through all these books, I realized one thing, that all the examples which are connected to maybe about the opening the sale, closing sale, these terms itself, okay, then negotiation, or maybe ending the call, or follow-ups, feedbacks, maybe personality, or some of the element, or creating a sales need. All these segments I'm sharing with you. I could work out one thing, that all these related topics, the examples were given were all about the European people or the American people or the African people. The thing is, we all need to understand one thing. Even though we are reading lot number of books which are written by n number of writers, maybe across the globe, but particularly in selling, the one thing very important that works, that's called behavioral psychology. Now, when we talk about behavioral psychology, then for one particular element, it is called opening. Let us say about opening a sales call. See, this exercise, this acts in a different way to various countries, considering the geographical location of that particular country, or now I come back, behavioral psychology of that particular person. So these are the some of the elements that were missing in that book. So I thought, why not I come out with a book which will have the total Indian origin. Plus, I interacted with some of the European customers, also interacted with some of the German customers, I interacted with some of the American customers, and somehow I could realize that what kind of psychology they are carrying. Because yes, psychology works very important play rather a very important role in selling itself. So that way, coming out all that, I decided that let's jot down a book. So this book basically is talking about ideology of selling, then developing about the what about the personality development itself. So I particularly focus on one chapter that's called developing a dynamic personality. Then it has mentioned about what are the elements of selling. When we talk about the elements of selling, they are the how to create a sales lead, then what is the sales cycle, and I focus very seriously on one topic called negotiation. Basically, negotiation is an art. And then I worked out that practically whatever the things I face in my career itself while negotiating for selling a product, collecting the payments, or maybe the entering in a project, or maybe entering some details data, or maybe acquiring that particular new territory. So all this, so on and so far, I've entered my own personal views and experiences in that. Then what about the pre-sales and post-sales activities? Then one important topic which you will not find anywhere itself I mentioned over there, how to build a trust about a brand, that means you work, and about self. Because one simple thing I'll share with you, your product is being bought just because of two things. Number one, if the product itself has got an excellent amount of strength, that means all the requirement to be fulfilled by that particular product, that are the inbuilt things in product itself. If the product has got the 100% satisfying value, then you don't need to be a very hands-on smart, you don't need to apply any of your skills and all, the product can be automatically sold. And the best example rather I'll share with you, that is the ornaments, or rather ornaments, it's called gem, or maybe a gold. There are a number of examples, but let me tell you other things why I have mentioned over this building of trust and brand and self. So it's a compiled one thing, how to build a trust about the brand and how to build a trust about self. But I focus more on that if you are branding yourself better, then you can sell any number of product, any kind of product rather. So that I given a focus on that. And then some other topics which I cover about the sales through networking. Then there are some other things. But important thing is that I have created one more topic here that is called how to be a magnetic personality. Magnetic personality, certain things I have focused into that. That it's a simple example I share with you, that you all, whenever you go in any of the shopping mall, or maybe buying certain thing, you visit a couple of shops, few of the shops you get a lot of details, but you end up buying that particular product at one particular shop. The idea behind that, it's not exactly the product is very good, but the one who is standing over there, who is attending you, and who is giving you the importance, who is giving you all the details about the product, that is the person. It has got some amount of magnetic thing that you get attracted, and not only attracted, but somehow you end up buying that product. So these kind of things only I mentioned in that book. And my request to all of you, so kindly visit Amazon, type there selling is selling, and just get that. And the price is very nominal, it's not so huge as such. I've kept very nominal price for that. And I'm sure, because this book is dealing, and his book is dealing to all the aspects of selling which already existing, which may come, and situations itself. And to be very frank and honest, I have shared some of my experiences in the field, some of my experiences from pharmaceutical industry, tiles industry, vitrified tile industry, pharma industry, then synthetic food colors, then furniture fittings and hardware. because these are the hand-on experiences when I used to talk to my dealer distributors or maybe my end of client, maybe a project person, or maybe sometimes the owner of that particular large corporate house and all. So I'm damn sure this book is definitely going to help all of you, whosoever is initiating his sales career, from him or her to the person who is already established himself as an entrepreneur, a corporate magnate, or a very senior level management person as such. So thank you very much, and I request you so kindly visit our site, visit the site Amazon, and type over there "Selling is Selling" and buy that book. And I can assure you that best of the things definitely will happen because we have mentioned best of the topics about selling. So to be very honest, thank you very much. And this book for which whosoever my friends have suggested me a lot of good things, so I'm very much thankful to them. And once again, I request all of you. So kindly go on that site, type the word "selling is selling" and buy that. Thank you very much. Good night. God bless you.